Hello everyone, how are you all doing? And a very warm welcome to all of you in our today's video. Today in the A to Z series we have the alphabet C, and from C we have chronic constipation issues. So if you are having chronic constipation issue, then this video is definitely for you. Today we will be discussing 2 acupressure points for chronic constipation and even a mudra which will help you if you are having chronic constipation issues. So let us see the mudra and the acupressure point video. And if you are having chronic constipation, I will also share one reel link in which you will be seeing different types of foods that you should eat if you are having chronic constipation. If you want to see it, you can see the link in the description box. You can check out the link in the description box. So let us see the acupressure points first. Okay. So we have 2 acupressure points. Both the points are on the front side of our hand. On the middle finger, on the first joint of the middle finger, exactly in the center we have the point. This is called as SP3 point. The second point will be, you can see the first joint of the index finger just below the middle finger, sorry. In the center we have this point. This point is called as SP6, SP3 and SP6 point. These both points are said to be a very good acupressure point if you are having chronic constipation. What you will do, you will take a jimmy. With the help of a jimmy, we will press this point properly. We will give deep firm pressure on this point for 15 seconds to 30 seconds. Okay. After that, we will apply dual magnets on this point. If you are not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then we have made a basic acupressure kit. If you are not having the magnets and if you want to buy them, then we have made basic acupressure kits which are very good for you. If you want to check them out, please do WhatsApp us on the above given number. So on a paper tape, we will take one dual magnet in such a way that the yellow side of the dual magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see the white side of the dual magnet. That means we need to tone or we need to increase the energy of both this point. You will apply one magnet over here and the other one over here above one. Same on the other hand also, because both these points are on both the hands. You need to apply the magnets for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the paper tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. So this was acupressure points for chronic constipation. If you are having constipation, then you won't get results especially in chronic constipation issue. Okay, you won't get results in a day or 15 something like that. Okay, 15 days or something like that. You need to apply this point at least for 4-5 months. Because chronic constipation, when does chronic constipation occur? When you are having this constipation from the 10 years, 5 years, 10 years kind of, right? At that time you have chronic constipation issues. So you should at least use this point for 4-5 months or 6 months. Then you will see good results. Second, let us discuss about mudra therapy. For that, you need to do apan mudra, which is by joining our thumb, tip of the thumb with middle and ring finger like this. Okay, if you join your tip of the thumb with your middle and ring finger, then this is called as apan mudra. You need to do it with both the hands. You can do it any time of the day. Okay, you can do it any time of the day. Just keep a gap between like half an hour before meal and half an hour after meal. This should be a gap kept. Okay, otherwise you can do it any time of the day. So what you need to do it? You need to do it for 15 to 20 minutes daily. Okay, do it for 15 to 20 minutes daily. You can just do this mudra like this and you can watch your TV or you can read something or do anything. Okay, you are just walking, you can do this mudra and walk. That is also fine. If you are sleeping for some time, like napping or watching something while sleeping, that is also fine if you do this mudra and sleep. Okay, you just need to do it. You need to do this gesture. So do it regularly and you will definitely find the results. So that's all for the day. Thank you so much everyone. If you are enjoying this A to Z series, then please don't forget to subscribe our channel.